These psychology channels are going viral on YouTube, printing thousands of dollars. Just take a look at this channel. It has gained over 250,000 subscribers. If we look at their oldest video, we can see that this channel started just 4 months ago. This is literally what most people dream of, and he achieved it as a side project. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy this channel and grow your brand new channel in this niche. I'll show you how to find video ideas, write scripts with the help of AI, how to generate visuals and edit the video in the easiest way possible, and finally, how to set up your channel properly so you don't get stuck on 0 views. Before getting into creating the videos, we need to understand why these channels are going viral. There are always some hidden factors involved in the virality of videos that most people ignore. First, they make videos about you. That works because people are naturally interested in themselves. It feels personal, and viewers don't want to skip because they think they might learn something about themselves. Second, their titles are powerful. They make viewers question themselves instantly by mixing fear, insecurity, and ego. And third, this niche is evergreen. These videos keep performing over time. Now that you know why these channels are going viral, let's move on to creating the videos. The first step is to generate a character for your channel. Just copy this prompt and paste it inside ChatGPT. Don't worry, I'll paste this prompt in the description. The AI will create a text-to-image prompt for you. You can copy this prompt and paste it into Gemini or any AI image generator to get your character. You might not like the first result, but after several tries, you will get your desired image. Once you have your character, it's time to move on to getting video ideas and creating the actual video. But before that, let me show you what we were able to create so that you can get an idea of what we are building.
You were never the problem. You didn't argue, you didn't demand attention, you didn't make things harder for anyone. You were the easy one, the one adults didn't have to worry about, the one who just understood. But here's the part no one ever asks. What happens to the child who learns that being easy is the only way to be loved? You probably remember moments like this.
For video ideas, copy the video ideas prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Just open the channel and look at the most popular videos, because these are the ones that have worked well and are likely to perform well in the future. Copy the titles of the most popular videos and paste them here. ChatGPT will give you a list of video topics. It will also provide a deep analysis and top performing ideas. For this example, I'm choosing this topic and moving on to the next step. Writing the script is the most important step in creating a video. To create an engaging script, copy the script prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then paste your video topic here and ChatGPT will write an entire script for you. You can use this script as a base and modify it as needed, or just keep it as it is. I was going to skip this part, but I want to mention a mistake that literally almost every creator makes while generating voiceovers. They use the same AI voice as everyone else. Someone uses an AI voice in their video, and everyone starts using the same voice like it's the only one made for them. Don't do that. Your goal is to stand out, not copy. Take time to find a unique voice. A pro tip I'd like to suggest is to use the 11 Labs new V3 model. It generates very realistic voiceovers with a unique touch, which can help you stand out. Next, it's time to generate the visuals. Copy the visuals prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Paste the script here, and ChatGPT will create text-to-image prompts for each line of the script. Open Whisk AI and upload the character you generated earlier. Copy and paste the first text-to-image prompt here. Select a 16:9 ratio and hit enter. Whisk AI will create images like these. As you can see, it's also generating the Gemini logo in these images because I didn't remove it from the main subject image. You can remove the logo, and it will generate clean images for you. Repeat this process by copying and pasting prompts for each line to get all the visuals for your script. Now open any editor you use and import your voiceover and all your clips. Add the voiceover to the timeline and remove extra pauses and silence by splitting and deleting. After that, add your clips to the timeline and place them according to the voiceover. You can also add transitions or effects. I've added a blur animation on some clips. Then go to captions and generate auto captions. Select a style you like and adjust it if needed. Once that's done, export the video.
You were never the problem. You didn't argue, you didn't demand attention, you didn't make things harder for anyone. You were the easy one, the one adults didn't have to worry about, the one who just understood. But here's the part no one ever asks. What happens to the child who learns that being easy is the only way to be loved? You probably remember moments like this.
When you create a channel and upload your first video, it often gets 0 views. There's a reason behind that. Before pushing your content, YouTube checks whether your channel is run by a real human. For that, it looks at your trust score. When you create a brand new channel, it starts with a low trust score because YouTube doesn't yet know if a real person is behind it. So here's what you need to do. If you already have an old YouTube account that you've been using for a while, that's perfect. If not, create a new account and use it for at least 2 weeks. Watch videos, engage properly, like, comment, and behave like a normal user. After that, open YouTube Studio and enable the 2 feature eligibility options in the settings. Then upload your first video. Now YouTube has enough signals to understand that you're a real person and not a bot trying to spam content. When you're just starting, avoid posting too many videos at once. Try to keep a 1-day gap between uploads. Once you've posted 30 plus videos and start getting good engagement and impressions, you can increase your upload frequency. And yeah, you don't need to purchase an aged YouTube account. Even aged accounts don't work if they're not warmed up properly. If you need help with YouTube automation or your Faceless channel, or just want to talk, message me on Twitter. According to YouTube, you should watch this next video. Let's find out if they're right.